Good day, everyone. For today's podcast, we were gonna talk about our chosen philosopher, and that is Socrates. But before that, we were going to introduce ourselves.
Hello everyone, my name is Giancarlo C. Laudato.
My name is Liza May Lauron.
My name is Earl John G. Lasala.
My name is Jillian Ray Tilanuza.
My name is Joanna Carly Gaspi.
And my name is Angela I.C. Legaspi.
The philosopher that we are most interested is Socrates because he thinks that it is important to know yourself better to be smart. He is best known to his line that the unexamined life is not worth living.
The unexamined life is not worth living means that a life spent without questioning one's belief, values, and purpose is a life lacking in genuine understanding. And Socrates also believes that self-awareness and critical reflection is crucial and essential for personal growth and decision-making.
Yeah, right. Kasi paano mo naman malalaman yung mga bagay-bagay, di ba?
Yes.
Kung hindi ka magtatanong through. Yun. Kung hindi ka magtatanong-tanong.
Socrates' philosophy helps me understand myself by teaching me to reflect before deciding and admit what we don't know. And keep learning, and it guides me to be humble and aware of my strengths and weaknesses and who we want to be.
Yes, I agree with what he said kasi it teaches us how we people to be humble around other people and how we act accordingly to some people we don't know, like strangers, ganon. And also to our family na hindi naman natin masyadong close, pero we're still trying to be close to them. That's it. And aside from that,
I realized that the art of questioning is crucial in our daily lives because through questioning someone, we gain knowledge and we socialize with them, and even though we're not that totally close, yeah. 'Di ba? Yes.
So, sa inyo naman, ano yung mga natutunan at mga na-discover nyo about yourself? Ikaw muna.
I learned that mistake and uncertainty are part of growth and that knowing myself helps me better choices and lives meaningfully. So, ikaw naman, Ice, ano naman ang iyong natutunan?
So isa sa mga natutunan ko dito siguro yung pag-understand not just by myself but also to people around me, my friends, my family, and some others na hindi ko masyadong kilala, ganun. And also kung paano ako mag-a-act sa ibang tao and them too. So, ayun lang siguro. How about you guys?
Okay, ikaw, Earl.
I think through Socrates, I learned that I don't have to have all the answers, but I should always seek truth and understanding.
Yes! May pagana!
Ikaw.
Ako na? Siguro for me, from the philosophy that we tackled, siguro ang pinaka tumatak talaga sa utak ko is, embrace yourself. Even if someone doesn't like it, doesn't mean that you're living for them. You're living for your own self, 'di ba? Live your life to the fullest and enjoy lang, 'di ba? Hindi ka naman nabubuhay para i-please yung ibang tao, para what do you call that? Para
To beg others.
yeah, to beg for their attentions, assurance, yeah. Just live your life to the fullest and whatever happens. Yeah. How about you?
So, yun nga, I learned that questioning on our daily basis, there's a really big importance and impact on our lives because through questioning, we gain information, knowledge about
Certain situations.
certain situations that we want to learn or know about something like that. Yeah.
Ito. Ako naman, natuto akong mag-reflect. Na-discover ko na mas makikilala ko yung sarili ko. Makikilala ko yung sarili ko and magiging better ako if nag-iisip ako ng tama sa buhay, ganon. Diba? Tama, dapat laging tama yung desisyon natin.
Para
Always.
may pagsisiyan tayo, at least we know we did our best.
Yes, agree.
naman.
Diyos ko, huwag tayo magpaka-stress dyan talaga to the eye.
And alright, that's all. We are Group 1 and thank you for watching our podcast.